Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by getting essentials in place. Make sure your project folder has only the files you want, a git ignore that excludes env and bytecode, and an activated virtual environment locally. Once done, configure Git with your name and email so commits are attributed correctly, then initialize a local repository. Run git add to stage changes and git commit m initial commit to record them. These steps create a clean baseline you can push to a remote repository. Next, create the remote repository on GitHub and copy its URL. Choose public or private depending on sharing needs. Then connect your local repo with git remote add origin URL or use an SSH URL if you set up keys. Standardize the default branch with git branch m main so history aligns. Finally, push your commits with git push u origin main. This uploads code and sets tracking. If prompted, authenticate with a token, password, or SSH passphrase. That completes the transfer. To finish, add documentation and dependency files like README, MD, and requirements. TXT so others can run your project. Commit and push those too. If you want automation, set up a simple GitHub Actions workflow or create a release by tagging with git tag v1, 0 and pushing tags. Make sure collaborators pull before pushing to avoid conflicts. If something goes wrong, run git pull rebase or resolve merge conflicts locally. Commit the resolution and push again. This keeps history tidy and fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.